Hello. Today we are going to unbutton the shirt. Unbutton means taking the button out of the hole. Watch me. Hold the fabric. Push the button back. Pull it out. Push. Out. Pull. Now let's try together. Hold the fabric. Push the button back. Pull it out. Good unbuttoning. Great job. Let's do another one. Hold. Push. Pull out. Nice job. You did it. Ready? Hold tight. Push the button out. Pull. Great work. So proud of you. Slow fingers. Push. Pull. Super job. Way to go. Last one. Hold. Push. Pull out. Amazing. You unbutton 5 times. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are learning to open your shirt by yourself. High five. See you next time. Wave goodbye.